Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hi everyone, it's Raj here. Today we're diving into two amazing video generators to help you create professional videos easily. Whether you're just starting out or ready to go pro, I'll show you both sides. Why create videos? Because videos bring you more traffic, more engagement, and more revenue. And thanks to AI, you can create almost anything you dream of, fast, easy, and free. First up, HeyGen, a free talking avatar creator that just got even better with motion effects. You get 3 one-minute videos a month, up to 720p quality. Perfect for quick explainer or intro videos, all free. HeyGen's paid plans start around $24 a month for unlimited videos, up to 30 minutes. So if you want more freedom, no limits, and full HD, the creator or team plans might be worth it. Next, let's talk about Video Express, my personal favorite. This one's not exactly free, but it's a one-time payment with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it risk-free. I ask myself 2 questions. 1, is it as good as it seems? 2, if not, can I really get my money back? The answer to number 1 is yes, it's superb. So far, there's nothing I've wanted to make that Video Express can't handle. With Video Express, you get everything. AI text to video, image to video, in painting, prompt writing, animations, HD renders, no watermarks, and full commercial rights. All with a one-time payment, no monthly fees. Upgrade to the all-access plan, consistent characters, AI sound effects, video object removal, background editing, and even face swap. So here's the takeaway. HeyGen is perfect if you want to start free with talking avatars. Video Express is ideal if you're serious about creating unlimited, professional AI videos. Either way, you're ready to bring your imagination to life. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.